What you doing, B? You drinking from a hose?
If this hits Balin, it's gonna hurt him.
Hold on, wait. You drinking from a hose, B?
What are you doing? What are you doing, B?
Lit. Make it spray.
His face was so surprised when he did that. He was like, "Ugh."
Ah. Ooh. Yeah. Let him do it. He was doing it earlier. He was putting his hand over the top of it.
Cover.
Yeah! Maybe it's too crazy.